Hello guys, and this is Hong Kong vlog. Hello guys, it's my first day in Hong Kong trip. So for the first day I decided to go to the Big Buddha, and now I go to the Tung Chung station. There's two options to get here, on a bus or on a cable. I think the cable is more interesting, so I decided to go this way. And I hope I can get to the Buddha. Here's the airport here, so it's like restricted to fly the drone. But maybe like it's further. Let's check the cable car. After 20 minutes of the cable car and like 5 minutes walk through the village, finally got to the big temple and now climb it. We made about 3 circles around the Buddha and then decided to find like a sweet place to launch the Mavic. There was one guy who launched his Mavic Air right from the statue, but it's like not good thing because like people didn't care, but some guard asked him to stop it, and it's just not good. I think it just disturbs people. So I just went here in the woods, put the drone and did some very good shots scenes. Like the Buddha is really good from this point of view. Let's check. Time to fly back. Let's get back to the Buddha for some more shots. So now with the Buddha, let's go back. The way back is the same, just through the village to the cable car and then back on the cable car. If when you go here you take photos and still things on the way back you just can relax. So let's see you in the next place. Good morning, today is the last day in Hong Kong. So it's windy and foggy, but I hope the view from harbor will be great. The first thing to get to the harbor, so let's cross it. So cross the harbor, and it's like very fast and very cheap. The best way to get to the Sky Terrace is on a big tram. One-way tickets cost only $5. To get the best view on the ride, it's necessary to sit on the right side. After the tram, just get to the top of the building on the escalators. So finally got to the top here after like 1 hour of getting from Tsim Sha Tsui here. And here is like windy and foggy, no way to launch a drone, but at least I have some view. It was the last day in Hong Kong. And around the peak there's like several walking routes to walk and see the other viewpoints. So let's check them. But you know, here's like Now no view because it's in the rainforest. Looks like the view from here can compete with the view from the main place with the terrace, because it's really great, amazing. Looks like this road doesn't have like official end, or like it just go out to the park, and it's possible to go down from here, but I'm not sure if it's go for it. Like takes time. It's about an hour walk. Maybe I guess I'll go back, find the spot, and try to make some cool photos. So I played a little with the drone, and it was not fun in these conditions because of the fog and also the wind. So you're afraid to go like very far because of the wind. You never know what's happened then. And also with the fog, it's just half of the image are just really in the fog, and it's like nothing to see. So it's just no point. But the spot was good. You can see it on here. It turns out it's like the DJI. This place where I was, it was like on the border of the DJI area where DJI not recommend you to fly, and you kind of need permission. But I think here is fine because it's like public area and there's no people, no infrastructure. So it was my first time in Hong Kong, and I really like the city, but not the weather, so I hope someday I'll return and will able to see more. Thank you for watching. Please write in the comments what do you think about the video. See you in the next video.